Oh snap, son! I like your car. God dang! Where'd you get? What's the retail on one of those?
20.
How's it going, everybody? I don't really even know what my channel name is going to be. I might stick with Prosper for something, but for now, probably will post it there. But how's it going? It's good to, be out here, be alive. How y'all doing? But no, we're gonna just hop right on to the 1965 restoring process because, don't really have much to say and really busy. So let's turn this around and I'll tell you what we got going on. I went ahead and cleaned all of it out to assess the damage, which this car is in very rough shape. Some of you might say, why did you buy such a bad car? First, let's go over what needs to be done, then I'll explain why I chose this as my project. So, right now, I'm removing all this binder from this quarter panel, or fender, whatever you want to call it, and I'm going to figure out what I want to do about all these little bumps and grooves and rivets and whatever. Then we're going to have to go ahead and find out if I want to just sheet metal or, this kind of metal right here or something. Whatever I want to put right here, because I'm not going to go back with the original floor panel. Once again, like I said, I'm not going for original look. It's not me. I have plenty of original cars around here. I'm actually going to put down in the comments what engine's going here. I really want a 302. As you can see, this is literally, I don't know, maybe, what, maybe, I don't know, I'm not good at guessing, this. What engine do y'all want in here? Put it down in the comments below, tell me what you want. I want a 302, but, if you want a 460, well, I'll think about it. Let me think about it. But anyways, so, just gotta decide on all that. Fenders, really, I'm not even concerned about that right now. This one I'm actually probably going to pull off. Sorry about the wind noise, it's probably terrible. I'm trying to cuff the phone, but I'm probably going to pull this one off today. So yeah, let's turn this back around and I'll explain what the whole ordeal is with this car. Once again, let me just go in the garage, because good Lord, God. Anyways, so I've been wanting a drag car for a very long time now, and I wanted something that I could chop up and not really care about, because chopping up a 71 Mach 1 original car, I would, feel very bad. Plus, this is not really my car to chop up, so, I wouldn't be chopping it up. And I'm not going to chop up my 66 truck, so, yeah, I needed a new project, a whole new project. So I decided to go find something that would just beat the crap. Obviously, I found it. $200, really good deal, huh? But, yeah, so that's enough talking. Let's hop onto this. By no means am I a pro at removing Bondo. Using my method, don't judge me. About all we got accomplished. Not too shabby, but honestly, looking at it, this is so just terrible, weaved and bumpy. Don't know if I'm really going to just continue or just get a new quarter panel, but yeah, my good buddy Josh is out here helping. Really appreciate it. Yeah, so probably next thing is going to take off this fender, end up lining up all the clamps and all that next. So yeah, I guess let's hop right to that, because as you can see, Just got all kinds of stuff to line out. Let's do it to it. So, when I went, I'm not sure I put this in the video, but I went and looked under the logo, and as you can see, the frame starts here. I'm calling it a frame rail because I'm not sure what it is, but it comes right here, and it just like stops right there, and then starts back way down there. So I'm calling this like a unibody car. And I mean, the part of the frame that it does have, it looks good, so good for that. We don't have to scrap the project car. I'm very happy about that. Dude, look, I got a fuel pump. Nice. It's more expensive than my plan. But this might not even be like a fuel pump, but I don't know. It might be like them electric train. Yeah, that's pretty much all I have for today because I gotta get back to college. I got homework, unfortunately, but next week, and stay tuned. This is like a test video. Let me know what y'all think. What should change? What should do different? How you think it went? Went alright. It was a lot of chipping. How long have we been out here? Like 4 hours? Just chipping along the way. But yeah, don't forget, down in the comments below, what engine should go in here. I say 302. Josh, what you say? It's on you, man. Alright, peace.